Hey guys, welcome to DefineTheDrive. It's been a long time. So lots of things have happened. I've got a JCW and this is the first clean of 2020 I'm going to do with it. If you're unfortunate to have a large Labrador like my partner and I, we regularly get quite a lot of hair. Fortunately not on the seats that much, but definitely around the floor and in the boot. We've gone on quite a few adventures. It's time to clear the muck. Right, so the other day, I'm a big fan of this brand. It's Koch Chemie from Germany. This is a multi-interior cleaner. I was first introduced with it from APM Customs in Sandycroft, and I've used it ever since. Really good, really powerful interior cleaner. You know, pH neutral, the lot. Anyway, to get rid of this muck, there we go. Now, it has an incredible smell. And it just brings back memories. It's just what you need. Now no, this won't foam up, but you don't really need the foam so long as you're working it in. So I've done the right side, the driver's side, now onto the passenger footwell. So there's a few stubborn areas, especially in the corners down here, so I'm just going to get my little suede brush and see where we can get with it. Now that is looking so much better. Only thing we've got to do is get rid of the scuff marks from all the mud, and then just continue into the back and the boots. So I've done the front, I've done the back seats. I just need to do this section, just the boot. Covered in dog fur. I've got my trusty brush, a multi-interior cleaner, which is a gem. I'm left-handed, so I'm sorry about you guys maybe not seeing sections of it. I'm just lifting all this dirt in there. Thing is, it's not long being cleaned, the interior anyway. So it only kind of needs that maintenance, and New Year maintenance-ness. Now, for heavily soiled interiors, I wouldn't just do this. I would get a dedicated carpet cleaner, automotive, or a really good automotive cleaner that foams. I would let that penetrate the surface, so the carpet in this case, for a good probably half an hour, and then, you know, within that time, obviously, agitate it with a brush, and then I would either jet wash them and let them dry, or if you've got a suitable hoover that can deal with water, then just hoover it straight off, and that's that sorted. You know, always good to do like a wet vax with interiors and carpets, because, you know, day to day basic use of the car, you're gonna get more and all sorts in there. So I'm just going to spray this down because this will loosen dirt. And it doesn't matter if you get it agitated, because, well, usually this carpet in the back is pretty strong. You know, it's designed to withstand wear, sorry. So let that dwell for a little bit. Okay, so we can basically get scrubbing down these seats. And that will do for now.